Another bush to plant for bees. It's called a buttonbush. Look at all those little bitty flowers down in there. There's just a boatload of them. A little bit late on doing a video on it because most of them are just about done. And that's what it looks like when it is completely done. There's another honeybee. Another one down in there flying around. Like I said, most of them's already done. Has this little ball. Don't know if it produces. Let's try it again. I don't know if it produces seeds from this or if the little individual flowers are actually a seed. Don't know. Bought it at a Tennessee tree and bush sale. The state was giving them, not giving them away. You could buy them for, I think it was $2.99. They were about a foot tall. But yeah, this thing is covered with honeybees when it's in full bloom. This tree's only about, or bush is only about, I think 3 years old maybe. Gets 10 to 12 foot tall, 10 to 12 foot around. So it's going to be a good sized little bush when it's done. But that's just a quick video on something to plant for honeybees. There's your little native pollinator. They love it too. Thanks for watching.